How to connect OKX wallet to dogs. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device, sign into your account, and open the Money Dogs Money app on Telegram. Now click on Connect Wallet. In here, go ahead and click on View All Wallets. Since as you can see in here, you cannot find OKX on the list. So just go ahead and click on the View All Wallets to be able to find OKX Wallet. Click on OKX Wallet and this will redirect you into a new page where you'll need to sign in or sign up for an OKX Wallet account. Now you can create an OKX wallet on the app or just sign up on the browser where Money Dogs will redirect you. So just go ahead and click on sign up or log in. Log in if you already have an account on OKX. So in here you'll just need to enter your phone number if that is information connected to your OKX account or your email and your password. Now once you're signed into your account, you can just go ahead and permit the connection between your OKX wallet and your Money Dogs account. And that's how you can simply connect OKX wallet to Money Dogs.